Hey everyone, welcome to the Mac Life channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to fix being banned in a marketplace and restoring your full Facebook Marketplace access. Permanent solution. So let's get started. So now here we are on Facebook, and from here what we need to do is very simple. All you have to do is report this to Facebook support. So click on your profile on the top right, and from here click on help and support. Click on report a problem, and now click on something went wrong. And from here, you can include your complete logs and diagnostics in your report so that Facebook support would have more data to work on in assessing your account. And click here on include in the report. And from here, you can take a screenshot of the current tab that you are in. And it would be more helpful if you are in a page where they would be able to see some proof of your case. But in my case, I'll just click here on allow, and it will not be added right here. But you can just remove this, and you can manually add a screenshot or video right here if you would want to from your device storage. And next is that you can go here for the details. So now what you would want to input here is very important, as this would matter greatly in how your report will be assessed. So from here, you would need to provide your name first, and then after that some proof. So basically, you could add some history proof right here that you've been doing good in a marketplace and so on. So basically just proof right there. And then after that, you would want to indicate what happened right here. So in my case, I'm gonna say this right here. So hi Facebook team, I just found out my Facebook Marketplace has been locked. I believe this might be a glitch and it needed to be resolved as soon as possible because I rely on Marketplace daily and it's incredibly important for me, both me and my business, and thank you for the assistance. Maybe something like this one right here would work great. You don't need to copy this word by word, but yeah, you just need to copy the thought right here on how you are going to structure your message right here. And then once you have successfully structured your message, everything is good. You want to make sure that you include a screenshot or video. This is very helpful right here. So basically, you can add it from your device storage. So I recommend that you take a screenshot or a video beforehand, maybe a screen recording, so that you can upload this later on right here. And you just click on submit once you are done, and then that's it. You just now have to wait for the response of Facebook support. Now you might have to send this every day once only. Do not send it many times, as it would be flagged as spam, so that is very important. So yeah, you basically want to send that every day until you get a reply, and then soon enough you would be able to get a reply that your Facebook account for Marketplace has now been unbanned or unrestricted. So yeah, this is the main way on how you can fix this. And now bonus tip, you can check the link down in the description if you would want to purchase ready to go Facebook Marketplace accounts for you to sell on. And that is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.